यौम शहीदा बराए पुलिस के मौके पर तेलंगाना के डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस अनुराग शर्मा ने भी खराज अकीदत पेश किया और पुलिस परेड की सलामी भी ली।
Police Commemoration Day. I am grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri K Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, Home Minister, and all senior officers. October every year, as on this day in 1959, at Hot Springs in Ladakh, 20 brave CRPF Jawans lost their lives defending the country against the Chinese army. Peace in society means more investment, more employment, and more flow of money. This includes four brave hearts from Telangana: S.I. Siddhaya, Police Constables M. Lingaya and H. Nagaraju, and Home Guard K. Maheshwar, all of Nalgonda district, lost their lives while facing semi-terrorists this year. This department today pays a tearful homage to them and is proud that they did not hesitate in laying down their lives in the line of duty. I, on my behalf and on behalf of the entire police department, thank the Honorable Chief Minister for his unstinted support to the department. He has always encouraged us and provided us with encouragement and resources to improve our functioning. His dream of making Hyderabad an international city with a police force to match is an inspiration to us, and I assure you, sir, that the police force will leave no stone unturned to achieve this goal. We are thankful to you, sir, as you have given unprecedented support to the welfare of the force in terms of equipment, salary and allowances, medical facilities and support in form of ex gratia, which is the best in the country. This force will always be indebted to you and will never forget you for bringing in these measures. I am sure we will continue to get similar support from you in future also. I once again pay my homages to the martyrs of the police force and want to assure the families of the martyrs that they are not alone. We as a department and force are with them to look after their welfare and growth in future.